Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. An intense black smoky eye is not something new but always in season. They are one of the most preferred choices of makeup among bridal functions and evening events. I have tried to simplify the process as much as I can so that it's easy for newcomers to get it right. So do watch it up till the end, and now let's begin. I start off with the Radiant Primer by Makeup Forever. I just apply it all over my face and allow it to settle. I start off the smoky eye bit with Urban Decay's eye primer portion. Eye primers are a must for heavy looks like these as they help shadows last longer and prevent creasing. So the first step is to create a base with some kind of cream-based product. I take the gel liner by Makeup Forever and apply it all over the lids. If you do not have a gel liner, use a cream eyeshadow, and if not that, even your daily kajal pencil can work as a good base. So I just apply the product all over the eyelids, basically the area in which I want the black to show. Just make sure you don't go too high, else the look will just get messy. You can just blend the outline a bit to soften it. Next, I go in with a metallic brown shade and simply run it over the edge of the black pigment. I just make some forward and backward strokes and blend the brown well with the black. Blending well is key in smoky eye look, so you could just devote some time in doing that. I then pick another pink nude shade in matte and apply it above this line of metallic brown. It works as a fantastic transition shade. I finally take the black eyeshadow in matte and apply it all over the black base I created earlier and continue blending upwards. Now here's a little trick. In case you go overboard and apply too much of eyeshadow by mistake, you can soften it out by using a shade closest to your skin color or by simply using your compact. Try using a matte texture preferably. Like you see, I have accidentally applied a little extra there, so I just correct it with some setting powder. I then take a light shade in a metallic tone and apply it on the arch of my eyebrows. I just blend out everything once again. I take the same gel liner by Makeup Forever and apply my eyeliner the way I usually do. This step is optional, but tight-lined eyes do look very good. I love wearing lashes when I do smoky eyes. Lashes add a lot of character to the look. If you don't know how to wear lashes, you can click on the link here and learn how to get them on. I now apply my foundation the way I usually do. I'm using the HD foundation by Makeup Forever in the number Y325. I then go in with some concealer. I apply some on the sides of my eyes and sweep upwards to give the eye makeup some definition. There are in fact many interesting things which one can do with the concealer. Click on the link here and learn more about various concealer hacks. I now apply generous coats of kajal. I generally apply kajal after foundation and concealer so that if there's any product fallout, it gets cleared up. So if you're a kohl pencil girl, then click on the link here and learn about different ways in which you can apply kajal. I do some contouring by applying some bronzer on the sides of my cheeks and nose. I just blend out everything so that there are no visible fine lines. I follow this with the highlighter in the usual areas. I love the glow highlighters bring when light falls on the face. I just dab my face with some loose powder to set my makeup. Do give a minute or two to groom out your eyebrows and fill them up with some product if necessary. For the lips, I go in with Dior's Addict Lacquer Plump in the shade 426. It's a beautiful rose nude shade. Its long wear gives a good shine and feels great on the lips. Finally, I just spray some Mist and Fix by Makeup Forever to keep my entire makeup in place. So that's the final look for me. This is the way I learnt in my makeup school, and I've simplified it as much as I could for those of you who are new or who are just beginning to try. Now before you do anything else, remember to subscribe to my channel for more makeup looks and videos. So that's it for now, and yeah, see you soon.